Okay, ready na ta, ready na ta. Cut, cut.
Cut, binakat.
Cut. Work. Okay.
Oh my God.
3,
What's up?
2, 1. Rolling. Action.
Ipek. Balik na po sa uwan ron.
Ano na?
Di magdali ko.
Ibigay pa mo kayo mo kayaw-yaw. Sige, ready. Action. 3, 2, 1. Rolling. Action.
Want some?
You've been eating a lot of pumpkin.
Very good source of energy.
2, 1. Rolling. Action.
Of course.
2, 1. Rolling. Action.
Well, wala ka kabantay nga. Ay, naku kabalon sa
2, 1.
Samtuy.
Rolling. Action.
Baguhan lagi ko nimo. Nakagusto isulti, no? Naka-surprise na ko, no? Ay, yes! Sige, no! Surprise me! No! What's that? Nabaguhan lagi ko nimo. Baguhan lagi ko nimo. Nakagusto i-surprise, no?
Ayun.
What's that?
1. Rolling. Action.
Ay! Surprise me, babe! Sige na!
I hate you.
Ayaw, Gab.
Wow. Of course. You hate me at this hour of the day. Tama. Of course. You hate me. You hate me at this hour of the day. So,
1. Rolling. Action.
want some?
You always get on my nerves.
Ayaw.
Ay.
1. Rolling. Action.
What?
Ay!
2, 1. Rolling. Action.
Want some?
Get into my nerves. Get into my life. And you always forget one.
Rolling. Action.
And you always get what you want.
Now I am really surprised.
Why don't you take things seriously? Sorry.
1. Rolling. Action.
Love, you really think that this is easy for me?
Oh! Ano, nabito ka na? Naaway na to. Dagan din kasi ng mga kumpanya mo. Sorry.
2, 1. Rolling. Action.
And you expect me to talk to you?
Yes! Sorry. Sada?
You have to talk. You have to. Action.
And you expect me to talk to you?
Yes! You have to talk to me. Dili kay magsigag doon sa bisakin sa tao.
1. Rolling. Action.
And you expect me to talk to you?
Yes! You have to talk to me. Dili kay sigag doon sa bisakin kinsang sorry. Ano ma? Sorry.
1. Rolling. Action.
Sa imong mga problema.
At least ako mga friends, I find a consolation. Sila pirmi mo ingon ako, hold on. Nakang ako. Nga I should stop loving you.
Continue, not stop.
Sila pirmi mo ingon nga, hold on. Ano ka sabot sa nang hold on, oy? Nga I should stop.
Keep.
Mingon nga, hold on. Ano ka sabot sa nang meaning anong hold on, oy? Nga I should stop. Oh my God!
Continue.
2. 1. Rolling. Action.
Sa atong mga problema.
At least ako mga friends, I find a consolation. Sila mo, ingon pirmi na ako nga, hold on. Ano ka sabot, ana? Nga I should continue loving you, my God. Oh my God. Find a consolation. Sila pirmi mo, ingon ako nga, hold on. Ano ka sabot, ana? Nga I should...
Category ito.
Ano naman mo ingon ko gusto?
3. 2. 1. Rolling. Action.
It's my obligation kay Ugat ka.
Tanaw siguro. Ay! 2. 1. Rolling. Action.
Somehow I could find another.
2. 1. Rolling. Action.
Okay?
Nice. 3, 2, 1, rolling, action.
Kaya una ko yung gusto no.